Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Shimu Learn and Share. I am Shimoli Shah. In my channel, I try to learn and share new things with you. So friends, I hope you like my all the previous videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So friends, today in my origami series, I will share how to make a cute and attractive pencil cap. So friends, let's get started. So for origami pencil cap, we require a 10 by 10 centimeter of origami paper. First we will fold it half. Now with the help of a scale, we will measure 1 centimeter from its edge like this, and then after fold it. So it will look like this. Now turn it back and match this edge with this edge, half. Like this. Now unfold it, match this point here. Same on the other hand. Like this. Now we will match this point here. You can take the help of a scale. Like this. Now turn it back, so like this. Now turn it back and unfold one part out of these two parts. Unfold one part in this way. Again turn it back. Now fold this point here with the middle line. Same on the other hand. Like this. Now lock this part into this. Like this. We have locked it inside it. So friends, our base of the paper cap is ready with the ears. Now before opening the ears, we must decorate it. You can also use your decorating ideas. We have made it size. Mouth. Now we will open its ears with the help of a pencil. Put the pencil inside and press it like this. So do the same on both the sides and we will get like this. You can also decorate it more if you like, and also you can decorate its ears like this. So friends, see, our origami pencil cap is ready. See friends, it looks so cute, isn't it? If you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you soon.